Hi, my name is Eric. I'm from WerkMaster, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to attach a Dewalt variable speed polisher to the Scarab base unit. To do this, we'll need the polisher, a Dewalt specific color adapter, Scarab base unit, an arbor shaft extender, and the Scarab collar, as well as an 8mm Allen key. To disassemble the unit, you'll probably also need either a 3/4 inch or 18mm wrench to hold this still and to unthread it. So, on to assembly. What you'll need, take the collar and placing the small cut directly forward on the head unit. Just slide that into place and slip it down until it's seated firmly onto the polisher. From there, the next step is to thread on our arbor. Once that's in place, it goes into the base unit. Take the collar, remove the bolts from it. And then place the collar centering that on either side. There's a small groove on the top side here that needs to mate up with this little collar there. And there you go. That's how you install it.